Guys, I am so tired. Do you hear this? This is what I heard at 6 o'clock this morning. I went to sleep at 12 because that's the time they went to sleep. And if I didn't get up and start screaming at them, they probably would have went to sleep at 5:59 and then gotten up at 6.
What is it? 30 are you?
Anyways, it's memories. Oh gosh.
Auntie!
It's been a couple hours.
Auntie, someone recorded Inside Out too.
Oh.
On YouTube. Now we can watch it.
My slave's here.
What? Oh!
It's left in the house.
Evan, I'm taking his slave. There.
It's left in himself.
She mops as well.
Does she?
Yeah? Huh? Why am I lucky? It's not like you do it at your house.
My mom always wants. She loves to have that. Hey, Beatrice, mop the floor now before I look you.
Shush! Everyone be quiet. We're having a quick family meeting. Yeah? This is going on YouTube.
No. Me.
Sit down.
Me. What do you mean it's going?
Which one of you guys are going home?
Me. Let's just set me.
This is your last chance. We're about to go back to bowling. Okay? And who's going to behave? Put your hand up if you're going to behave. Put your hand up if you're not going to call anyone names. Okay?
Evan, you might call me name. No, if he calls Eddie a name, then he's going home.
Yep, that's right. And if you call Eben a name, guess what? Oh, you're going home because the bowling alley is very close to both of your houses. There's no problems with me calling your mums and telling them to come pick you up. Okay?
What about Zaya?
Yeah, Zaya and Mona too. Mona's been the best one out of all of you guys.
And me?
Somewhere there.
And me?
No.
What? Why?
Guys, listen, okay? I'm giving you one more chance. If you muck up this chance, we're coming straight back, packing up your bags, and then I'm calling your parents, telling them to come pick you up, and sleepover is over. The sleepover is meant to go until 5 o'clock today, so we've got 5 full hours together, okay? Don't ruin it. After bowling, we might come back and go to the park, kick the footy around with Bear.
Can you give me a big one?
You have to listen to what Uncle says, listen to what I say. And no fighting, that's the biggest thing. No name calling and no fighting, because that's going to ruin everyone's plan today.
Wait, so if one person calls another person a name, all of us go home?
Yeah, so you guys all have to work together to stop any fights from happening. Because one person will ruin it for everybody.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get your shoes on.
Let's go, guys.
So I've got these 2 minions in the car. We're about to head off now. This is like our 4th time trying to leave, but they just keep playing up, so I keep cancelling it. So this is their last final chance. The other 3 have gone with Uncle Aussie. So let's skedaddle. Okay guys, so we initially came to do bowling, but they have a party going on, so it's booked until 2. So we decided to do laser tag instead. The kids have never done laser tag, they said. I've done it once.
Next, unclick your phaser for greater mobility. Make sure to check the name on the front of your battleship. This will be your code name for your laser tag mission. Most importantly, in order to fire, you must keep 2 hands on the phaser at all times.
Morning guys, it is a Sunday morning and I'm about to go for a walk. I'm about to go for a walk with Aussie. Well, I'm dragging Aussie along with me. I usually go on my own. And I haven't really been going early in the morning on Sunday, but oh my gosh. I love 046. Big shout out to 046. You guys have been getting me through my walk, but not the point. So I've been... Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, my face feels so dry. I should have moisturized. And then I have to come back home and get ready for church. Laura slept at the girls' house last night for V's birthday, so big shout out to V. Aussie's just squatting out there waiting for me, but usually we don't take Bear for these walks because he just pulls and like he just gets scared of everything there. So, and he gets real tired. Yesterday we took him to the park. Why am I just rambling, guys? I'm just waiting for the car to heat up. Dude, like, answer me this, guys. I feel like I'm the only one who does this, or it's like only islanders. It's still very rare for people to still do this. Like, growing up, my parents would make us, if we wanted them to drop us to school, we would have to come start the car 10 minutes before we wake them up. And that's just what I still do. I've brought that tip with me all the way through to adulthood, and I warm my car up. So many people say, oh, you don't have to because it's automatic, and like technology these days with cars, you can literally feel the car is choking when you try and drive it while it's not heated up. Like, you can feel the accelerators like not going, but when you heat up the car, you give it some time to just sit there and wake up. It's just like, you know, human beings, come on now. We can't just wake up and just get going. We got to get ready, brush our teeth, have a shower, like, and so many people are like, you're just wasting your time. You don't need to do that. Excuse me, my dad taught me that, and I'm gonna follow it to the day I die. Now shut up. Engine cars, I definitely still feel like you have to heat it up. It's the right thing to do. So let me know, do you guys still heat up your cars? Is it still a thing? Are you guys of the opinion that it doesn't need to be done? I want to know. I want to know.
Hey, what up? What up? What up?
How's it
Early
going?
morning walking.
It's not really early morning, baby. It's 9:20.
Oh.
We're gonna get this quick walk in before church skis.
Everyone's ears gonna hurt. Are you guys hurting?
And that's not even the reason why you should put it on. Come on now. Put it on because
Safety. So what up everybody? It's your boy Joji over here. The view is beautiful. See, that's where we walk around there, around the whole thing. And this is Canberra. You see the beautiful of Canberra?
this morning he was just, I don't know. Is it finished?
Yeah, just the milk and the drink.
Oh,
Hello. Meat is the bottleneck.
most of them. What should we make on
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow we'll have the pasta because that chicken is still in the fridge.
I'm gonna say.
What is up with you? I can't see.
We've done the bottom. Mga papa nga isiya. Isiya. مش كمان شوية شيء من
Morning, guys. Another day in paradise. We're living the dream. But I am heading out nice and early on a Saturday. It's about almost 9:30. Laura's at work, or she just got home from dropping her. But we're about to head out to the mall just quickly. But I want to show you guys my feet. So, look at my shoes. I got Dunks. Bought them last night from JD. Hold on. Don't mind the washing. Spread it everywhere because it's rainy and it's windy and we can't take the washing out. But and then I've got a family meeting at my house, my parents' house. Aussie's using Laura's mirror. guess what, guys? We are currently going, let me just take the car out and let it run for a bit. But we're currently going to take Laura to get her learner's test. Hopefully she will get her learner's license. Hold on, let me take this out. So she's been practicing. Hopefully she does pass. I'm gonna let Elsie to drive. Hold on. What jacket? Oh my gosh, why are you wearing my jacket? Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, so hopefully she passes. You guys will be the first to know, I guess. She's been practicing, so pretty confident, aren't you, Laura? A little bit.
Ja, maar de confidence en dit feit kousen meer.
This guy's so annoying.
Feit kousen meer confidence.
Yeah. Do you want to run into that bush?
Yeah.
Have you ever tried feijoas, Laura? It's like this fruit. That's a feijoa tree right there, guys. This one? Yeah. And New Zealanders are crazy about feijoas. And we have it just at our front yard. So stay tuned. I'm gonna come and have a look and see if there's any I can try. So Selwa passed her learner's test, guys. Psych. She actually has to sit a knowledge course, which she's been practicing already online, so I'm sure she could have passed it, but it's mandatory here in the ACT to sit a course. Well, thanks for telling us. She's got that this weekend, so take 2 on Sunday when we pick her up. It's gonna be, guys, she got her license. Whatever paper they give to us, then we take it to you know, the RTA. I don't know what other states call it. We call it here Access Canberra. Oh yeah, they call it RTA. Sydney, New South Wales or something like that. What do you guys call it again? Where Esther works. Hey guys, so we're here at this cafe. Good morning everyone, morning SV squad. We're just waiting for birthday girl to arrive because it is Molly Girl's birthday today. So we got Sia here, mum and dad are inside. It is a bit chilly out here, isn't it? Yeah, cold, nice Canberra cold air. Sure. Well, our favourite cafe is currently under construction.
Maybe I should go and see if I get some flowers.
And so we're here at La Cafe, which this is my first time being here. So let's see what it's about.
What will I say?
Happy birthday, Corna.
Oh, did he?
Thank you.
She's 21.
16.
Quando prepare the meal.
Hay ngà mèo vài ngà dạ.
Hi, Wen. Hi, beautiful girl. Say hi to my camera. Excuse me. Go say hi to Nanny and Papa inside. Thank you.
Very nice. Line up at the front of your house when people walk in, they can smell it.
Dad's laughing at your gifts. Me and Dad are twinning.
Oh, I want to come tonight.
We're twinning.
To remind them of what their dad, the man that their dad is. And then
Morning, guys. Morning. Hold on, let me prop you up on this. That's better. That's a little bit better. Let me turn this off because I might get copyrighted. But I am here at Zaya's game. I'm a bit early because that's just how I roll. And I was meant to come with Sarah Law, but when I woke her up, she was feeling a bit tired, but now she's probably fully awake. She's probably regretting saying no because she's gonna be bored at home. Now I'm here, it's 10 o'clock, so I'm opening my fast an hour early. Intermittent fasting, guys, not the Bible one where I'm just gonna, you know, disobey God or whatever. But intermittent fasting because I feel super hungry. So I got a beef, cheese, and bacon pie. Sorry, I was trying to read that backwards. Oh, sorry. Itadakimasu. Morning, guy.
Morning.
We had a spontaneous last-minute sleepover with Zaya. He wanted to come to ours after his game, and so he slept over, and now we're going to meet his parents or his dad. So Zaya, did you have a nice short little sleepover?
Yeah. If only you could come with me from my room.
It's like a beautiful day today. The sun is rising up.
If I go to sleep too early, I end up waking up like 12 o'clock, and I went to bed at the same time he went to bed. We went to bed at 8:30. I was meant to put him to sleep and I fell asleep, and then I woke up at like 1, and then I couldn't go back to sleep until like 3:30, and now I'm like a zombie right now. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you a series of questions and you have to answer.
Okay.
What is the capital of New Zealand?
I don't know.
I actually don't know myself.
Wellington.
No, Wellington.
Yeah.
I thought so. I was like, it's either Wellington or Auckland.
Well, you didn't say it.
Wellington.
Well, I knew it was Wellington, but like, how is it not Auckland?
Auckland Blues.
Like, Auckland is so much more. I don't know what the word is.
I can't
Populated.
comment your.
Okay, that was, you got that one wrong.
You got it wrong too.
Who is the president of America at the moment?
I learned about it on BTN. I can't remember her name.
Come on.
Is it a lady?
Koala.
Gosh, it's Kamala.
Yeah.
Oh, Kamala Halala.
What's 2 times 7 plus 5?
19.
Yeah. Well done. Aussie, do you have any questions to ask?
What's bomb minus clean?
Bomb clean. Oh, you got a bomb minus clean.
So it
It's
equals
dirty.
stinky, yeah.
I don't wanna go. Can you pick me up?
Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another vlog. So I wanted to pick up the camera because tonight was a special night. You know why? Let me tell you. Because this girl over here, she cooked our dinner tonight. She cooked our dinner tonight. So I taught her how to make it. This is her first time. And guys, she did an awesome job. It tastes just like how I make it. Really good. So, well done, Laura. Well, mother freaking done. See my plate? It's almost gone.